Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down, unplug the washer and turn off both water valves to avoid surprises. Once done, open the lid and remove the screws located at the rear of the control console. These are often Phillips. Next, tilt the console forward just enough to access the harness. The Y is safety and preventing strain on connectors. Make sure to support the console with one hand while you locate the control panel screws so nothing swings free and damages wiring. With the console supported, remove the small screws or clips that hold the control panel to the console frame. This frees the board for removal. Then, press the locking tabs on each wire harness connector and pull straight out. Do not yank at wires. Label each connector or take a quick photo so you know exactly how to reconnect later. This prevents miswiring. If clips feel stuck, use a small flat tool to pry the tab while holding the connector steady to avoid damage. Once connectors are clear, lift the control panel straight out and place it on a padded, static-free surface. This prevents scratching and ESD. Visually inspect the PCB for burned areas, cracked solder joints, or loose components. This explains many failures. If the washer still has issues after reinstall, make sure to check the console fuse and test harness continuity with a multimeter. If a connector was forced or a trace looks damaged, replace the panel or consult a parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.